Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for Phonelicious, and today I'm gonna review the Epson L4160 ink tank printer. Well, if you have been trying to buy a printer, you would have noticed that if you buy a cheap printer, you might end up a lot in maintenance cost. Maintenance of an inkjet printer mainly equates to the cost of inkjet refilling. But the Epson ink tank system promises a higher yield and cheaper maintenance cost. The Epson L4160 is targeted at home user or a small business user. It is not only a printer, it can also scan and also copy. So it's a 3-in-1 printer. The printer is compact and it weighs just 5.5 kg. It has a scanner bed on top. The paper feed is at the back. The paper feed can hold up to 100 sheets. There is a control panel on the front which includes a 1.4-inch display panel. And also below the control panel is the paper out tray. There is also an SD card slot wherein you can insert your memory card and print out documents or pictures from it directly. The ink tank system or the ITS in this printer is an economic high yield system. Just get a refill bottle and you are all set. The cost of a refilling bottle starts at about 400 rupees for each color. I will leave links below in the description pointing you to where you can buy these refill bottles. But as I said, this is a highly economic ink tank system. If you are just printing out black and white printouts, one refill will give you about 7,500 printouts. And on color printouts, you would get around 6,000 printouts. As I mentioned earlier, this printer can print, scan and also copy. It can be connected to a system using the USB, or I can also connect it to a Wi-Fi network and print it wirelessly. I can also use my mobile to connect to this particular printer and get a printout from my mobile. Setting up the printer was very simple and easy and straightforward. The way I set up this printer in my office was via Wi-Fi, so I didn't even have to download any drivers. The system automatically detected the printer on my Wi-Fi network and it got configured within a matter of seconds. But if I have to use the scan feature, I would have to use the software from Epson, which is called the Easy Photo Print software. Printing speed varied from anywhere between 10 to 15 printouts per minute, and this actually depends on their quality settings. I used a regular A4 size paper and the quality of the printout was set to medium or default. There is also an option to increase the print quality to maximum, and this you can use to print photo quality pictures using high quality glossy paper. But my usage was just printing office documents, so for most part of it I was just using a regular A4 size paper and quite satisfied with the print quality. This Epson L4160 cost you around 17,000 rupees. And out of the box, this printer can run for a long time without the need for a refill. It is quite economical and it is very much suitable for a home or a small office requirement. If you would like to buy this printer, links below in the description, and I hope you like this video. I'll catch up with you on the next video. Until then, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.